This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Carpenter. You're looking for a Florida home that is low maintenance, like a condo where you can just lock the door and leave, but you want the space of a single family home. Well, your search is over. This second floor condo is the largest second floor plan in Pelican Landing and has it all: 3 spacious bedrooms, each with an attached bath, 3 full baths and a den/office plus a 2-car garage. It doesn't get any better than this. With almost 2,500 square feet, this home lives like a single family home but has all of the conveniences of a condo home. Lovely southern exposure with lake and golf views come with this condo home. Updated flooring with luxury vinyl wood flooring, plantation shutters, and an amazing floor plan that offers owners and guests their own privacy. Gourmet kitchen with 42 inches wood cabinets and granite counters, with bar stools for countertop eating and separate breakfast nook for casual eating. The lovely master bedroom suite has it all with vaulted ceilings, walk-in customized closet and spa-like bath with fully tiled walk-in shower, soaking tub and granite counters with his and her sinks. Each guest bedroom is spacious, and light-filled with attached private baths. The den office is off to its own for privacy while conducting necessary business. This condo was pre-wired for an elevator and is ready should you decide to install one. Best of all, the large oversized 2-car garage. Pelican Landing has the most amenities for the lowest master HOA of any community in Lee or Collier counties. No other community has its own 34-acre private beach island with attendants on island to set up your umbrella and chairs and private boat shuttle to the island. Pelican Landing is the second largest tennis center with 12 hard-true courts and a full-time tennis director. State-of-the-art fitness center, bocce ball, 6 pickleball courts, a canoe and kayak center on Spring Creek, and miles of biking and jogging trails. Pelican's Nest Golf Club has 36 holes of championship golf designed by Tom Fazio, with golf and social memberships available on a short wait list. Don't miss this great property. Your Florida home awaits. For more information, review the details below.